Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Charlotte here. I am sharing the first of the year design team project for Bella Vintage Notebook. And for this project, we were to create a journal cover, which was a little bit out of the box for me because I usually do my covers at the very last. So this is exciting for me. Maybe it's something new, the whole process. We were given 3 of Bella Vintage Notebook printables, and those were what we were to use. This is one of them. This was the second. Isn't that just beautiful? And then the third was this. I don't have a large printed off copy of that because I used it. This is what I created. Neece also has a first book out that is just jam-packed full. It's got patterns, it's got definitions, it takes you through the whole journal experience, and the name of that is Living a Journal Life. I will put the links to that book and also the pages in my description box. It's in her Pay Hip shop, and also I will put the bvscdesigns.com down there so that you can see what's going on with her, and also links to her Etsy shop and her YouTube, and her Instagram. But I think most everything will probably go through PayHip, so you want to be sure to check everything out. But you'll get the book if you're interested in her book, and it's incredible. It's over 100 pages, and it's just jam-packed full of information. So it's a really good go-to, really good for somebody that wants to know what journaling is all about. So you might want to just hop over and check that out. But meanwhile, let me show you what I have done. This measures, I believe, 8 by, yeah, and it's an 8 by 5. What I wanted to do was a double cover. And so that's what this is. This is the cover, but this opens up. And so what I did is I took vintage laces, crochet work, and I covered this page here. And then I took some new beaded trim. I mean, look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? And then I've got a rusted all out metal butterfly with some netting, and I'm not sure you can see. I've got some black netting there, really pretty, and then just an old piece of cotton, and layered that on the top and wrapped it around to the back. The back is from the second printable, and so if you open up the first page, you've got another piece of vintage crochet work here and here. And then what I did is I went ahead and I used the lined printable. At first I thought I wanted you to be able to journal on this page, and you still can journal on this page, but then I loved the idea of the washi tape, so I went ahead and I used the washi tape, and it's this washi tape here. I get this on Amazon by the roll, but I put in a really cool tag. I didn't do anything on the tag because I don't know what's coming. Neece surprises us every month with ephemera that she wants us to use, and so I left the tag because, like I said, it's going to be a surprise. If you open, this is the back. This is technically the inside cover right here, and what I did is I took a couple of the pieces from one of the printables, and I just kind of made it this pocket lopsided, used some of the vintage trim here. I tore this And then I put another piece of the printable underneath here. So you could journal on this if you wanted, but then I added a tag because, like I said, I don't know what's coming, so it might be something I can use on these tags. I left the back because, again, I might get something that I think would be fabulous on the back, and then I went ahead and followed up with trim. So I just think this is probably something that I will keep for myself because I like where it's going. It is going to be very vintage, but then again, you never know. Depending upon what's in its future, it might have a little bit more than what I'm thinking in the way of maybe pink or whatever. So as I'm looking at this, I'm thinking I could go ahead and put journal pages here, and I could put journal pages here, even though this was supposed to be the journal, the cover. So this has the potential to go someplace other than what I was originally thinking. But anyway, I hope I've showcased these 3 pages in their best light. I hope that you enjoy this first design team video, and there are more to follow. Be sure to check out the links, and I will catch you in the next video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.